Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to highlight objects in DaVinci Resolve. This technique is perfect for drawing attention to specific elements in your footage by blurring out the background while keeping your subject sharp and in focus. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and load the project you want to work on. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Color to switch to the color grading workspace. This is where all the magic happens for advanced visual effects and corrections. Now direct your attention to the Builder tool on the right side of your screen. You'll see a circle icon that opens the window option. Click on it and then select the pen icon to activate the drawing tool. This tool allows you to manually trace around objects, giving you precise control over what you want to isolate. Here's where you need to be patient and precise. Use the pen tool to trace around the object you want to highlight. Simply click around the edges of your subject, creating points that form an outline. Take your time with this step because accuracy here will determine how clean your final effect looks. Don't rush it. The more careful you are, the better the result will be. Once you've closed the shape around your object, it's time to make it track with the movement in your video. Click on the tracker icon that appears in the window panel. Before you start tracking, make sure to uncheck the 3D option. For most standard footage, 2D tracking will work perfectly fine and is much simpler to work with. Now click the play icon to begin tracking your object. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the footage and follow the object's movement throughout the clip. Depending on the length of your footage and your computer's processing power, this might take a moment, so just wait until it's completely done tracking. After the tracking is complete, locate and click on the blur icon in the effects panel. You'll see a setting called radius. Go ahead and increase the radius value to control how much blur you want applied. The higher the number, the more intense the blur effect will be on everything outside your traced object. Next, go back to the window option again. This time, click on the third option in the list. This setting inverts the selection, which means it will blur the background instead of the object you traced. This is the key step that creates that professional highlight effect where your subject stays sharp while everything else fades into a soft blur. Now that you've applied all the effects, head back to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Play your video to see the result. Your object should now be highlighted with the background nicely blurred, following the movement perfectly throughout the clip. And that's it. You've successfully created a highlight effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.